But even if in a personal life you're facing some problem and you want someone to discuss it too, that is the kind of ecosystem our college is built, and which gives you that feeling that okay, you are being heard.
Hey there, future DU students. Curious about what life is like at Delhi University? Join us as we dive into the vibrant world of campus life, share insider tips on cracking CUET, and exciting student experiences to invaluable advice, and explore everything you need to know about admissions this year.
Yeah, so I think it's true to the name because the course structure is very versatile. If you see that there's a 70% overlap with the syllabus of MBA colleges of I'm Ahmedabad, I am Bangalore. So all these MBA subjects we already study in our undergraduate, and that is what equips us much better for the corporate world and helps us get better placement offers, better CTC, and have a different edge over other competitors. So yeah. Courses. It's just that in Delhi University you call BBA BMS because you're not only focusing on business studies, but it's technically a branch as management in whole. So I think subjects more or less, when I talk to my friends who are not in Delhi University and studying BBA, subjects are more or less same, but we have a few more technical and like subjects like QTM, quantitative techniques of management, and more a specialization of finance or marketing in the third year, final year. So this is the kind of an edge in BMS over BBA, but more or less the meaning and the facility is the same. But of course, BMS, because you do it from a Delhi University, there are higher chances of placement and a better placement, I'd say. System which our college has, the flexibility to talk to people whenever you want. If you want to talk to the principal ma'am, if you want to talk to any faculty member, in fact a faculty member, we have to choose our own faculty member who we want as a mentor, so that we can talk to them about our personal life, our professional life, our academic doubts, anything. It's not just stick to something which is academic or corporate, but even if in a personal life you're facing some problem and you want someone to discuss it too, that is the kind of ecosystem our college is built, and which gives you that feeling that okay, you are being heard. So this is something which is very good. And of course, if we talk about fests, we have a very good fest, Crescendo. We have a prom night in our college. We also have a great faculty teaching here. The quality of teaching is very good. मतलब मैंने काफी लोगों से सुना है DU में एक assumption बन जाता है कि यार पढ़ाई होती ही नहीं है, आप कभी भी आओ कभी भी जाओ, but हमारे यहाँ ऐसा नहीं है because academics are very well centered. So you are properly taught everything. Then there are exams and internals, and moreover I'd say that the pedagogy here is very case based also. You're not just taught from a particular PPT कि ये subject है, ऐसे दो तीन चीजें हैं, theory है, हो गई. The teachers, the faculty here give you real life examples कि अच्छा this was implemented here. We also have discussions in some subjects wherever it is possible. So I think all of this along with our placements and along with everything else is of course very nice. We have a very full-fledged placement cell known as the Career Development Center, CDC. Then they work tremendously for our placements, our internships, our value-added sessions. We have a lot of sessions with different CEOs, MDs, different people in the industry who come here, who talk to us about their own life, which you can learn about. Someone from Invest India also came up, and we always listen to these sessions whenever we feel we want to attend. Moreover, I think जो internships होती हैं, most internship season के दौरान भी all these companies which come to campus, our placement cell brings them. But mostly उसमें क्या होता है कि internships के लिए most students then go off campus, on campus भी कुछ लोग के लग जाती है, but placements mostly I think I'd say go from on campus only, because of the amount of companies we get, amount of offers we get. This year we had our major recruiter as Alvarez and Marcel, who took around 12 students, and Bain also took good amount of students, I think 6 to 9 students around. So I think we have good companies coming up, and all these companies come up with each passing year because of the effort of the placement cell, and of course the sessions they keep for our resume, our know-how, our technical know-how, and the faculty who is always there to help us with our concepts. Our different roles are offered. Like if you talk about consulting as a sector, the one role is analyst. So analyst role is a little back-end role which most of the companies offer. Front-end role is associate. So I am also placed in an associate role. Associate role you normally find in an impact and governance consulting firms. that we have here. Like we have Samagra, we have GDI partners. If you talk about back end roles like analyst, we have Bain, we have McKinsey, we have BCG. BCG also offers a front end role to us if it comes associate role. So these are the different kinds of role in consulting. Then in finance, it comes as financial analyst or advisory, investment valuation. All these around these the finance roles comes in. And a marketing role normally is about a marketing associate or brand marketing manager. Not brand marketing in general because that's a higher post, but about a marketing associate. It's a very basic graduate trainee kind of a role. Yes. We offer 3 undergraduate courses. One is BMS, the other one is BBA FI, that is Bachelor of Business Administration in Financial Investment Analysis. This is a purely finance oriented course. Like I mentioned earlier, in BMS in the third year you have कि आपको marketing करना है या finance करना है as your core. But in BBA FI there is no such option. You are doing the finance course from day one. So all those who are pretty sure that they want a career in finance, and number 2, they are highly interested in finance. Number 3, have a good mathematical aptitude to handle numbers and be comfortable with all these concepts, should go for this course because of course this offers very good opportunities in the financial field if you talk about, and also in consulting if they want to pivot, it's completely fine. But of course then for marketing they'll have to do something else and then go into marketing because it's a proper finance oriented course. And the third undergraduate course is BSc Computer Science Honors. So we normally have one section of it and it's a computer science course. Normally the placements from there are around tech and computer science के जो भी हमारे होते हैं कि engineering या वगैरह वगैरह छोटे मोटे जो whatever come up, there's always for data and everything जो DBMS and whatever these guys study, that is. But I don't have that much knowledge about their course. For management perspective, we have these 2 courses only, BMS and BBFI. इनका जो व्हील होता है अपने हाथ में रखना है in your college life. A lot of you are CUET aspirants and will get into some college or the other, if not even CBS. But कोई भी college में आप जाते हो and you have 3 years or 4 years of your college life, please ensure that you do something fruitful. Once you come out, you have something to tell of your own. कुछ है ऐसा जो आपने करा है, especially जो आपका USP है, उसको अपने niche को carve out करो and find out what is the right place for you. Although you have the आगे की life भी है to find that out, but still जो 2-3 साल आपके पास होते हैं ये, उसमें you have a lot of time to try out a lot of things. So do that. And also one thing which I couldn't do, which I want you guys to do, is that जो भी आपका passion है, जो चीज़ आप बचपन में किया करते थे बट आपने छोड़ दिया है, उस चीज़ को आप कंटिन्यू रखिए इस कॉर्पोरेट लाइफस्टाइल में जहाँ पे आप चीज़ें भूल जाते हैं करना, so that your mental health is also at place. So keep yourself engaged, keep yourself happy and stay व्यस्त. Yes, that is it.